Monty's program for peanuts begins with an application of Monty's liquid carbon or nanobind at a rate of 64 ounces per acre, applied directly to the soil anytime between harvest and planting. This treatment can be combined with most burn down or pre-plant chemical applications. At planting, apply 24 to 32 ounces of Monty's 4-15-12 plus 32 to 64 ounces per acre of Monty's liquid carbon or nanobind in the row on the seed as a pop-up program, or to the side 2x2, or broadcast on the field with most pre-plant chemical applications. In season, Monty's offers products formulated for specific plant needs during each growth stage. Begin with peanuts at the third true leaf with 16 to 24 ounces per acre of Monty's 8-16-8. Then, at pegging, apply 16 to 24 ounces per acre of Monty's 2-15-15. Monty's provides the added benefit of tank mix flexibility, allowing you to combine Monty's products with most farm chemicals. Remember, anytime your crop is under stress from weather, insects, disease, fungus, or nutrient deficiency, we recommend an additional pass of 16 to 32 ounces per acre of Monty's 8-16-8 or 2-15-15, depending on current growth stage, to provide the nutrients your plant needs to help it successfully deal with these added stresses. Farmers have also seen additional benefits by adding 8 to 16 ounces per acre of Monty's liquid carbon or calcium plus at any growth stage as part of a tank mix with most herbicide, insecticide, or fungicide applications. Now that you know how to apply Monty's on your peanuts, let's check in with our Monty's Southeast rep with a few more ideas on how you can implement the Monty's program on your farm.
We're out here at a field that we're going to be planting some peanuts on this coming spring. One of the things we're going to try to do, if we can, we want to get out there with our carbon as soon as possible. We prefer you do that in the fall. If we can't get out there this fall, let's do it first thing this spring before we start going into making any type of preparations for planting. I know a lot of guys in different parts of the country, they either hip their rows up, they do no-till such as this field here, or they're doing conventional till. Regardless of what type tillage you're doing, you need to get that carbon out as quick as possible. On our carbon, what you'll see, especially after you put the carbon down in the first year, in most cases, the guys are going to say that they're digging a lot faster, they're digging a lot cleaner, and they're cleaning off a lot better. Guys, after we get that carbon out, we're going to be coming through here with a planter, and when we plant our peanuts, we can either put our 4-15-12, which is our seed starter. If we can, preferably we want to do it in the row. We want to use that as a pop-up type starter. Now, if you're going to be doing it over the top, you probably want to come out there and go ahead and get your starter fertilizer put out there. As soon as it cracks the ground, go in there and spray your 4-15-12. We're going to be coming in there next at about 2 to 3 inch height on those peanuts. We want to come in and start spraying 8-16-8 on those peanuts. Then after we're starting to get to the 6-7 inch stage and we're starting to go into some flowering, we want to start to go with our 2-15-15, which is our root and bloom. What we're trying to do with that, we're trying to push the nut set and the pegging of those peanuts. We want to make it as large of a nut as we can because that's our weight and that's what we're selling. Whether you have stress through weather, insects, disease, anything like that, it's a great time to come in there and spoon feed that crop to give it a little bit more energy to get through these stressful type situations. Anytime something like that happens to a crop, it's having to expend energy on fighting the disease, the drought, whatever's causing these problems. Therefore, that's hurting our yield. So what we're trying to do is come back in and spoon feed that crop, give it a little bit more energy to overcome these stresses.
For additional information, to answer specific questions about irrigation or particular crop recommendations, or to find a dealer in your area, visit www.montysplantfood.com or call 1-800-978-6342. If you're already using Monty's products, thank you, and we look forward to hearing your success stories. If not, we ask you to try it on a section of your farm this season, so that you too can join the growing number of farmers who harvest results with Monty's.